Welcome to AT Math Academy. AT Math Academy. And topic for today is geometry. Geometry. And in my earlier videos, I have shown you the volume and surface area of a rectangular prism. So today we are going to see the volume and surface area for triangular prism. So let us draw a nice triangular prism. So this is the triangle. This is a triangle, and let me take the parallel sides and then draw the nice square here, and let's draw the nice dotted lines inside here, and this should be the height of the triangle. Let's join these here. So let's see, the base of the triangle is 4 centimeters and height of this triangle is 6 centimeters, and the slant, this is called the slant length. It's slanted way. So this is 12 centimeters, and these side lengths are 7 centimeters, and this is again 7 centimeters. Okay, so this is called the triangular prism. So let me write it down here as triangular prism, because it is called as triangular prism because it has the front part is triangle and the back side you have a rectangle topped on that. Both of them, rectangle and a triangle stacked on each other, will make a triangular prism. So now let's see how to calculate the volume for the triangular prism. So we are talking about the volume for the triangular prism. So for finding the volume, we need to find the volume, the area of the front triangle. The area of the triangle, formula for area of a triangle is nothing but we need to multiply base and height and divide by 2 for finding the area of a triangle. So let me write that formula here. This is my area of the triangle, and I am taking that and multiplying with the slant length here, and my current slant length here is 12 centimeters. So we need to take the base and height of triangle and then multiply with slant height. So now 4 into 6 by 2 multiplied with 12, which is a slant height, which gives 2 times 2 is 4. So 2 times 6 is 12, and 12 times 12, which is 144, and the value for volume is 144 cubic centimeters, because for the area we have centimeter and centimeter. When both the centimeters are multiplied, we get it as centimeter square, and for slant length we have one more centimeter. So centimeter square multiplied with centimeter gives me cubic centimeters. So in the word format we can write it as 144 cubic centimeters. So this is how you calculate the volume for the rectangular prism here, sorry, triangular prism. And now let's calculate the area, surface area for this triangular prism. So for calculating the surface area, I have redrawn my shape again here. So you can see this is the shape of the triangular prism, with this is my slant height, and this is the base of triangle, and this is height of the triangle. Okay, so now let's calculate the surface area. So formula for surface area becomes, we need to add all the areas in this surface. So when you closely observe it, we get 2 views from front and back for this triangle. So for my surface area, I'm going to add my front portion, and for my back portion of the triangles here. So let me write front triangle and back triangle. Okay, and so in that way I have calculated the surface area for this side, for the left portion, and for the right portion of the diagram for the triangular prism I need to calculate my bottom area, which is nothing but bottom is shown as 4. Here is the base of the triangle and 12 is the slant length. We call it as slant length. Okay, so base and slant length gives us the bottom area, and we have one more left area and right area of the prism. So how do you calculate the left and right area? For calculating that, for the left portion, I have my left portion as slant and the height as 7 and slant height as 12. I'm going to use these two parameters. For calculating the right portion, if this is 12, this side would be 12. So 12, and for height, I'm having it as 7 here. So this gives my another portion here. So let's do that. So for the front triangle, I have it as half into 6 into 4. And for back triangle, same thing, half into 6 into 4. Area of triangle is base into height by 2. So I have my base as 4 and height as 6. So 4 into 6 by 2. I do it 2 times for front and back. Bottom area is nothing but base multiplied with slant length. So my base is 4 and slant length is 12. So this is base multiplied with slant length, and left area is nothing but slant length multiplied with side. What is the other side here? To the other side it is 17, 7. So it would be 12 multiplied with 7. And for the around side on the top right side, from the right side, again I take my slant length and multiply it with side length, and you can see this side is again 7 from the figure, so it is 12 multiplied with 7. So now I'm going to calculate everything and add it here in the bottom. So half times 6 times 4 is nothing but 2, and 2 gets cancelled. It is 12. So for front triangle, it is 12. And for back triangle, again, it's the same calculation. So it becomes 12. Okay. And for bottom area, I have it as 12 into 4, which is 48. And for left area, I have it as 12 into 7, which is 7 times 2 is 14, and 1 carry, 7 times 1 is 7, and 84. So this is the total view of glimpse of the problem for calculating the triangular prism, and the total answer would be 240 when you add up everything. So this is my close-up look of the problem, and we are taking the two views of the triangle half into base, which is 4 into 6, and we have front and back, so we added 2 times for the triangle. And we are taking the base area, which is base and multiplied with slant length, 4 into 12. So we got it as 48 for the bottom area. And for calculating the left and right sides, we are multiplying the slant length and taking the side length. So the slant length 7 is multiplied with this side, which is 7, and the slant length 12 is again multiplied with this side, which is 7. So say suppose you have another triangle with a different side lengths here, then you're going to take the slant length and multiply with this side length, and slant length multiply with that side length. And then add up everything, add up the areas of two triangles and the base area and the left and right portions of the triangular prism. So this is how you do it. Hope you all like my video, and please subscribe to AT Math Academy. And thank you for taking time to watch this video, and enjoy doing math at AT. Thank you.